Okay, let's talk about unlocking the hidden power of your images online. It's a real game changer.
So you've posted your photos, but are they basically invisible to search engines? It's a serious question.
You see, every picture has two parts. There's what we see, and then there's the hidden data that computers read. And ignoring that data, that's a huge missed opportunity. Your stuff just won't get found. And this really matters. Get this. A SEMrush study found properly tagged images get 40% more views.
So what's in it for you? Well, better rankings, quicker approvals, and you get to protect your work.
Okay, so what is this stuff? It's called metadata, and there are three main types you should know about. First up is EXIF. This is basically all the technical info your camera records automatically. Then there's IPTC. Now, this one's a huge deal for SEO. It's where your keywords and copyright info live. And finally, XMP. Think of this as the universal translator, making sure your data works everywhere. So how do you manage all this? That's where a tool like Exif Injector is super helpful. And it's crazy simple. You just upload your pic, fill out the fields, and download the new file. All right, let's look at how this plays out on the platforms you're actually using every day. Selling on Etsy, you need to embed keywords for things like material and style. It's how buyers find you. For photographers on Adobe Stock, forgetting copyright data can actually get your images rejected. Got a Shopify store? Good metadata is what gets your products seen in Google Shopping. And on Pinterest, the algorithm lives on this stuff. Your title and description tell it where to show your pin. Okay, tagging one image is fine, but a whole photo shoot, that's where it gets painful, right? The solution is bulk processing. You make one template and apply it to tons of images at once. And the time savings are just nuts. People who do this save, on average, 85% of their time. So to wrap up, this data is like your image's digital fingerprint. It gets you found and it protects you. So the question you gotta ask is your metadata helping you or is it holding you back?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.